Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra Curtis, and I am a graduate of the Master of Public Affairs program at Brown in 2016. One requirement of the Brown Master of Public Affairs program is the Policy and Action Consultancy. This is a 3-month experiential learning program that involves both an internship and a capstone research project. The MPA Policy and Action Consultancy gives students the opportunity to consult to a nonprofit, public, or private sector organization. Students conduct a policy analysis or program evaluation, or create an implementation plan for their client. Students may pursue a local consultancy in Providence, Rhode Island, or further afield in cities including New York, Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, or a city outside of the U.S. Consultancy opportunities span a wide range of policy areas, from healthcare, environment, and education to international development and security. The MPA program maintains an extensive roster of relationships with prominent government, nonprofit, and non-governmental organizations that are shaping key areas of the policy landscape. MPA students have pursued exciting consultancy projects at leading nonprofits and non-governmental organizations, including the Brookings Institution in Washington, D.C., JPAL at the Massachusetts Institute for Technology, and the Rockefeller Foundation in New York City. Students interested in government have pursued consultancies in federal offices including the U.S. Department of Education, the Federal Communications Commission, and abroad at the South Korean National Assembly. Students interested in international development have consulted to the World Bank Group and the OECD. Throughout the summer and early fall, clients submit consultancy project proposals. During the matching process in the fall, students apply for several consultancy positions, and clients review applications and conduct interviews. Students are encouraged to start thinking about their consultancy goals as soon as they arrive on campus. During the summer, students meet with the MPA Career Advisor to discuss their career goals and the organizations that might be a good fit. Students who choose to pursue the data-driven policy track work in a policy lab at Brown or elsewhere to integrate data-driven research with experiential learning. Students can apply to the data-driven policy track to gain coding and programming skills. Students in the track use Stata, SQL, and other tools to turn large data sets into improved policy. For the consultancy, students in the track work in the policy lab at Brown in close partnership with client organizations. At the conclusion of the consultancy, students present findings from their research projects to the MPA faculty and peers. The MPA Policy and Action Consultancy is a unique opportunity to develop your career path, put skills learned in the classroom to work, and gain valuable policy experience. To learn more about the Brown MPA program, visit watson.brown.edu.